Amen. Welcome to Liberian Mission. My name is Henry Peabody. I am the honor shepherd of Liberian Mission. I know this has been a very difficult time. It's been really challenging to everyone. Uh, Sickness, death, employment, and a lot of things been going on. But even through the midst of all of that, we're very grateful to God that we were able to do the little we could to change the lives of many in Liberia. You can see here, in December, we're in Liberia. We were able to build a well through a donation from a family, and the well is now serving over 200 or 300 people in that village to drink clean water for the first time. Right here is a revival that was hosted in December, and we preach, and we had some friends from Ohio, Pastor Stone Drain and Jamin Hess. They went to Liberia with us. And I tell you, it was a lot that happened at that revival. Life got saved after Pastor Stone preached. I think over 22 people got saved. I don't know the exact number. Since COVID has become so difficult and challenging, most of the people in Liberia were quarantined without food. People in villages, they were not allowed to leave to go to the farm, and they had to stay home, and things became really challenging. So we had to put a hold on some of our project and address emergency need by providing food for these people. You can see the food here. We provided food, and to date, we have fed over 5,000 people. We went to the school, went to other villages, we went to orphanage, and most of the people here benefited from our food project. So we are just grateful to God for all that He's done for us. This is a photo on the left is the John F. Kennedy Medical Center, which is the biggest teaching hospital in Liberia. But this hospital is in a very deplorable condition. Very, very deplorable. And a lot of people die. It's not that they don't have the doctor, but they don't have the equipment to work. So it's very difficult for people there. On the right is our school. We continue to strive to build that school. I hope that that school will be completed soon, and that a lot of children in Nema County will be able to go to school and learn. We still have more pictures here of the Liberia biggest hospital that you see in crisis. We made a donation in Liberia. We donated some products to the hospital, all kinds of supplies that were desperately needed by the hospital. Thanks to the Hess family from Ohio who put it together, and it was a great help to many in Liberia at the hospital. You can see the photo here of little Samakai. This little boy is a miracle. We saw the picture that somebody has sent me, and I didn't look at the picture, but the day I opened it, I decided I trusted God to do something. And I didn't know what I could do. I had no clue. Nothing. I just gave up. But after praying and trusting God, God introduced me to people that were able to help. So little Samakai now have done his surgery. He completed, and now he's back in Liberia, excited and very, very eager to go to school after many years. What a blessing, right? Isn't God faithful? God is a good God. We also built latrine for the kids for the school in Owens Grove that we built 2 years ago. And the kids have somewhere they can go and they can use as a latrine. This is our friend, Stone Drain, preaching. He's the pastor. He and one of his members, Jamie Hess, went to Liberia and Pastor Stone preached. And we had 22 people that got saved. Isn't God wonderful? Here is a photo. Pastor Stoney and Jamie were there, and my sister Azetta Peabody, she was there. I was awarded an honorary Doctor of Humanity degree. And it says one thing that came to mind when I was there at that program at the Liberia Baptist Theological Seminary. One thing came to mind, say, and let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up. So thank God for using us, and I actually accepted that degree on behalf of every one of us, all of you who continue to make sacrifice. Well, this is our little request. We want to go back to Liberia in March. We want to finish that school. We need at least $12,000 to $15,000 to finish that school, and we still need more hand pump for other villages. Together, we can make the difference. Once again, thank you for all you've done for us, and we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.